Good evening, students. So today we continue with our word processing chapter. So we are reading text selection in writer. So there are different ways to select text in your document. So when you press shift plus home, it will select okay. So when you press shift home, select to begin of line from the cursor position. ओके तो जहाँ से कर्सर है वहाँ से लेके स्टार्टिंग जहाँ से लाइन स्टार्ट हो रही है वहाँ तक का जो टेक्स्ट है वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, देन शिफ्ट एंड सिलेक्ट टू एंड ऑफ लाइन फ्रॉम द कर्सर पोजीशन. तो जहाँ पे कर्सर आपने रखा है वहाँ से जो टेक्स्ट का एंड है पर्टिकुलर लाइन में वहाँ तक आपका टेक्स्ट सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट शिफ्ट प्लस पेज अप. तो कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट टेक्स्ट है अगर आप शिफ्ट प्लस पेज अप करोगे सिलेक्ट प्रीवियस पेज है ना, तो जो भी प्रीवियस पेज है आपका ऑन योर डॉक्यूमेंट इट विल बी सिलेक्टेड. ओके, देन शिफ्ट प्लस पेज डाउन, so select to next page. Okay, so whatever will be next page of your document from uh, current page. Okay, then next page will be selected. Okay, then if you use control plus a means when you press both control and a together then whole document or whole text will be selected on your document. It may be on page number 1 2 3 4. Okay, so all the text on your document on all pages will be selected with control a. Okay, and okay, this is again control a. Double click on word. Okay, to select a particular word just double click on that word, then it will be selected. In this case Michael, so when you double click it will be selected. Triple click on word. If you triple click on a word the sentence will be selected with that word. Okay, तो जिस वर्ड जो वर्ड जिस सेंटेंस में आ रहा है वो सेंटेंस सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. देन 4 टाइम्स क्लिक ऑन ए रो. अगर कहीं पे भी रो में या वर्ड पर्टिकुलर रो में आपका कर्सर है and then you click 4 times the button of your mouse, then whole paragraph of that text will be selected. Okay, then multiple selection. If you want to select different words or multiple words at different places, then what you have to do, just hold the control key and click whatever you want to select. Okay, so here you can see punctuation is selected, then to make a sharp phrase is selected, then tedious is selected. So just press the control and then uh, click on particular word or group of word to select them. Okay, so this is called multiple selection. Okay, so next you can see you can select all from edit menu also. you can okay. So from edit menu you can also select all, and shortcut is Control A. So you can make cut, copy, paste of your text. Okay, so for cutting, before cutting, you have to select your text, whatever you want to cut. So selection, then press Ctrl X, or go to edit menu or cut option, click on cut option, then paste it where you want, on other page or other place of your document. Same way copy. So for copy you have to so in case of cut, your text will removed from present place. In copy, the text will remain there and it will copied and paste, you can paste on other document. Okay, to paste, on both cases you can cut, copy, paste. So for paste you can use shortcut as Control V, or simple a paste. Okay, to paste your whatever text you have cut or copied from your text document. Okay, so for paste you have to use Control V, Control X for cut, Control C for copy, and Control V for paste. Okay, so you can copy a particular text with Control C. Okay, now you can change the you can do formatting on your writer document. So in that you can change font of your text. So go to the standard toolbar, where you see different text styles, or we can say font styles. So from there you can choose of your choice. Okay, then and you can change the font size also. So it is given there, you can put it 12 to 60, 6796, up to more than 2000, sorry, 999. You can change the text size, font size, but for applying this you have to first select the portion of text if, where you want to apply. So before applying font size, font style, you have to select particular text. So we learned how to select a text on document. Control A, shift home, shift arrow, down arrow, up arrow. Then uh, so you can change basic fonts from here also, and from uh, basic fonts given in this pop-up window. So you have to select basic font, then you can change default heading font, you can change caption, you can change in for index, you can change. So for different uh, text in your document you can change font. Okay, so for default you can select there are number of font styles are there, so you can choose anyone. So in most of cases we use uh, Times New Roman. So for formatting of text or changing the properties of a text, or it may be color, it may be size, it may be style, it may be shadow. So you have to go to format option, go to text, where you can make it bold, where you can make it italic, you can underline it, you can double underline it by control D, you can make it italic by control I. Then strike through, if you want to cut or make a line in between your letters of text, then use strike through. Overline, you can put line over your text. You can make superscript, so means to write mathematical formulas, x square plus y square, okay. And you can subscript, okay, so like chemistry formulas, H2SO4, so H2, for that you can use subscript, uh, okay. You can make shadow of your text, you can outline it, you can increase size with control, right bracket, okay. So you can change the text uh, in uppercase letter, lowercase letter, alphabet, capital alphabet, small alphabet, okay. You can sentence case, capitalize every word, you can capitalize every word with first letter as capital. Toggle case, you can make uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase, uh, okay, small capitals. So lot of formatting options are there. So as per your need of document, you can go to text, and from there you can format, or also you can use standard toolbar. So there are all uh, most of options are there, so you can select from there. Then you can again format the character of your document text. So you have to go to format character, then press click on it, then this kind of window will open, or pop-up will open, dialog box we can say. So here you can change font of your character, okay. You can make it regular 12, 13, 14, 15, like. You can make it italic, bold, bold italic, okay. You can change the font effect, okay, font color, which color you want for your text, your letter, your character. Text decoration you can do, overlining you can select, okay. Strike through, underlining, effects you can select, okay. Next, alignment. So when you write a document, so for suppose you are writing a story, so it have lot of paragraphs, okay. So you need to indent your paragraphs, means you uh, make them, uh, arrange them in a proper way, okay. So for that purpose we use alignment as an option. So go to format, align. So when you align left, then you can see the how your text will look centered. Then some text will be, your text will be centered to document right, okay. So most of portion of your lines goes to right. Justified means balanced, so all lines text are in equal length, okay. So these are the alignments for your paragraph or your document text. So you can do it, change it from format align option. Then alignments, you can do it from paragraph option also. So here you see, in go to paragraph, which is given below character. So when you go to paragraph, from there you can choose left, right, center, justified. So whatever you like, you can select. So next is undo, delete. To make your change, whatever you changed in your document, you uh, want to go to back. Okay, you again, if you don't want those changes, then you can do undo by control Z and redo. Whatever you did, you came back by undo. Then if you want to go to again to apply those changes, then do redo, control Y. So whatever changes you did, it will be reflected again. Okay, so for redo, uh, control Y is used. Okay, suppose I change the color of text, but I don't like, then I will do undo. But I want to again want same color, then I will do redo. Okay, so to go back to previous state, we do undo, or to go to future state, we again do redo. So you can check, so using writer document, you can check also the spellings of your text. Okay, your report, story, or letters. So spelling check is given in tools. So you can also use shortcut as F7. So spelling option is given, press spelling or click on spelling, then a dialog box will appear. In this you can see whatever mistakes in grammar or spellings is there, then it will find out and show you in suggestion box. Okay, so suggestion box is given there in blue line. So in this text, stuff is the word where space is given between double quote. So it is suggesting you that don't give space there, it is wrong. So double quote, stuff, without space, double quote. Okay, then find and place. अगर आपको कोई वर्ड या टेक्स्ट ढूंढना है आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में, तो आप क्या करोगे, एक एक लाइन तो सर्च नहीं करोगे। ओके, तो उसके लिए क्या है ऑप्शन, go to edit, find and replace option is given there, control H is shortcut to find, control F is given for control and replace, control H is given. So this pop-up will open, dialog box will open. Find whatever you want to find, write on upper text box and replace. After finding, if you want to replace it with different word, है ना, जो टेक्स्ट आपने ढूंढा है उसकी जगह आप दूसरा कुछ लिखना चाहते हो, देन तो मैंने यहाँ पे एज, और एज विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय इफ, then I will press find. Next I can do find all, I can do find previous, replace all. तो जो भी हम एक्शन परफॉर्म करेंगे वो रिप्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा। फाइंड नेक्स्ट जैसे मैंने किया है, तो इट विल फाइंड न्यू। it will find as in your document, then again it will find as. So better we to replace all as, then we use replace all. Okay, if you want to replace only single as, then simple use replace. Okay. Then superscript, okay, for mathematical formula equations, go to format text x square y plus y square plus z square, then you can use control shift plus p. Okay. Then styles. So in document you can apply different styles, paragraph styles. Okay, so sidebar is given, so click on that sidebar. You can see paragraph styles, where you can choose headings, different styles of headings. Okay, heading 2, heading 1, character styles you can select. Okay, so in character styles, how your character looks like. Then you can choose graphics, frame styles. Okay, how you want to arrange your document text on your document. Okay, default styles or first page, footnote, HTML. Okay, so these are the list styles. How you want to number your points, point wise, bullet. Okay, you want to show arrow, okay, numbers, whatever. If you are making list, okay, so list style, how you want to list. Suppose you want to write 5 names, 1 2 3 4 5, so you can apply number, you can apply dot for 5 names. Okay, you can choose table styles. Okay, if your documents have different kinds of table to store data, then you can उसके लिए भी आप टेबल यूज़ कर सकते हो. So these are the sidebar styles, document styles for your text you can use. Then using paragraph option, you can indents or and spacing. You can make spacing or you can indent your text. Okay, so indentation means when you start new paragraph, you give 3 space to start your paragraph, then you start writing your word. So that is called indentation and spacing. So how much indent you want, you can before text, after text, फर्स्ट लाइन में कितना स्पेस आप इंडेंट आपको रखना है, स्पेसिंग पैराग्राफ से ऊपर कितना स्पेस रखना है, उसके बिलो कितना रखना है, लाइंस में कितना स्पेस रहेगा डॉक्यूमेंट में. सो ऑल यू कैन डू इट फ्रॉम पैराग्राफ option, which is also given in format. Okay, then after setting all these settings, you can press OK. Then bullets and numbering. Okay, so go to format, bullets and numbering. So you can number your suppose you are making a question paper, so you can give the question says 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you can make them bullet. So different bullets are given here. You want small dot, big dot, or other shape, square shape, arrow shape, you can select from bullet and press OK. So that particular style will be bulleting style will be selected. If you want numbers, of with different styles. You can click on numbering, then whatever you want to select and press OK. If you want outline, means one inside that you have 1.1 and that inside that you have a, then you can use outline. Image, if you want some images for numbering to make bulleting, then you can use image. Okay, then header footers. So what are header footers? When you make a document, so when go to printing, you want to show page number, or you want to show some headings for every page, so you can apply header. So header shows whatever you enter there will be shown on every page. Footer, whatever you enter there, it will be shown on all pages. For example, page number, for example, author name. Okay, so go to insert, then header and footer. Use header footer menu. Okay, or header or footer. So when you go to that, this window will open. You can from page style, you can also go from format. So header, so there you can change different settings, how much left margin will be there. Okay, and right margin, spacing. Okay, then press OK. Same way footer on same content on left and right pages, same content on first page. So these are the options you can select: left margin, right margin, spacing. Okay, height, auto fit height, you can apply and then apply OK. Insert table, if you want to make table in your document, okay, for storing some data. Okay, for example, when you are making timetable, then you need table, so you store data in tabular form. When you are making results, it comes in tabular form. So table, insert table option, click on it, then you get this window. And there, here you can give the name of table, table 1, columns, how many columns you want in your table, how many rows you want. Okay, so 2 is given, and styles, which style of table you want. Okay, then you can select other options, heading, you if you want heading, or then press insert. Okay, then the result of that table comes as this. Okay, so when you insert this 2 into 2, so 2 columns, 2 rows are there, so you can choose different styles as per your need. You can color it, you can so if you want to insert a row above a particular row, then go to table, insert row above, and a new row will be inserted. Row height you want to decide, then go to table, size, row height, click on it, you can change row height. Okay, in this by default it is 0.00. so fit to size मीन्स जितना टेक्स्ट का साइज रहेगा उतना रो का साइज रहेगा. अगर आपको चेंज करना है तो यहाँ पे चेंजेस एडिट कर सकते. एंड ओके. ओके, अलाइनमेंट इफ हमने पढ़ा ही है. सो अलाइनमेंट लेफ्ट, you can do alignment also in table, in particular cell of table. So hello, welcome to writer. So I did it centered, control E. So your text will come in center of your cell. Okay, you can delete table, you can delete row. So just click on table, right click, delete rows, then your rows will be deleted. You can delete table also, so go to table, delete option, then press table, your table will be removed. Merge cells. Okay, so table, so single A is written there, so A is written in one cell, so every box in table is called one cell. So you can see the selection of two cells below in blue area. So when you press merge cells, both cells will merge to one cell, so result will be like this. Okay, so both will merge and middle line will be removed. If you want to merge, then go to table, merge cell, then split cells. अगर आप किसी सेल को दो तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड करना चाहते हैं, then use split cells. So go to table, split cells, and press it, then you can see. So one single cell was there, then I pressed on split cells, so split cells into two, then vertically horizontal you can decide. So this is vertically the cell is divided into two parts. If I select horizontally, then it will divide horizontally into two parts, then press OK. So this is vertical, this is horizontal. Okay, so one cell is divided into two parts where cursor is, uh, you can see. So next is border and shading. So go to paragraph from format option, then where you press borders, so you can choose borders for your page paragraph. Okay, so these are the line arrangement, padding, line, double line, single line, thick line, color of line, width of line, position, shadow style. Okay, so these are the borders you can select for your page, your document, or the text inside also. So here you can see, in first table, first cell, library office is written, where I selected a yellow border, thick border with almost a yellow color, yellow orange color you can see. Then you can select margins also. The margin is 0.02, so it looks like this. So this is the border around your text. Okay, then table properties you can change. So go to table properties, you can change border, you can change background, you can change column, text flow, table properties. Okay, so border we have seen.